In this cold weather, who would like a warm bowl of spicy spaghetti? Hi, friends, welcome to another episode of Honey Lemon Ginger. Today's recipe is healthy, delicious, quick, and easy spaghetti. You can make it literally under 15 minutes. It is gluten free and needs no sauces. Also, you can dress this up as you like by adding more veggies or meat or cheese. And like always, stay tuned to listen to the health benefits. Let's cook the spaghetti first. You can cook it long or you can cut it into 2 to 3 pieces so it's easier to eat later. I use whole grain brown rice spaghetti, naturally gluten free and cooks exactly like any other pasta. It is not mushy, one of the good carbs to eat for healthy lifestyle and weight loss. And yes, please be careful when you check if the spaghetti is cooked or not. The water is boiling, so it's going to be very, very hot. Spaghetti is all ready. Now let's put it all together. Olive oil is high in monounsaturated fats, which is your good fats, and it's nutritious with powerful antioxidants. It helps with inflammation and lowers the risk of heart diseases. As you enjoy these recipes, share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Nutritional yeast has a savory and cheesy flavor and can be added as vegan cheese in many recipes. It is full of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Eating it sparingly is beneficial. Now sit down somewhere in a comfortable chair, watching your favorite movie or a show, and enjoy this delicious, hot, spicy, and cheesy spaghetti. And remember to check in next week for something sweet and spicy. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe and ring the bell.